What happens when Toyota's legendary off-road king meets Japanese luxury tuning? You get this: the WALD Land Cruiser 250. Bolder, wider, and far more aggressive than the standard model, this SUV is built to dominate both the city streets and the wild outdoors. Let's start with the design. WALD transforms the Land Cruiser 250 with a muscular body kit that completely changes its personality. Up front, you get a redesigned bumper with sharp aerodynamic lines, an aggressive skid plate, and darkened accents that scream authority. The widened fenders give it a planted stance, while massive alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires make it look unstoppable from every angle. At the rear, WALD adds a sporty bumper, diffuser elements, and bold styling touches that turn this SUV into a true head-turner. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser 250 stays true to its roots. Powered by Toyota's reliable turbocharged engine options, this SUV delivers serious torque for off-road adventures and confident highway cruising. With full-time four-wheel drive, advanced terrain modes, and legendary durability, the WALD Edition isn't just about looks, it's still a beast where it matters most. Whether it's sand, snow, rocks, or urban chaos, this SUV is ready. Step inside, and the Land Cruiser 250 blends toughness with modern comfort. Premium materials, a large digital display, and advanced infotainment keep things luxurious and connected. WALD adds subtle custom touches, enhancing the sporty feel without sacrificing the Land Cruiser's rugged DNA. This is an SUV built for long journeys, comfortable, capable, and confident. The WALD Land Cruiser 250 isn't for everyone. It's for those who want exclusivity, presence, and power in one bold package. It respects Toyota's off-road legacy while adding a level of street-ready aggression that few SUVs can match. So, would you take the WALD Land Cruiser 250 off-road, or straight to the spotlight? Like, subscribe, and comment below, because legends never follow the road.